Grabe, Valerie, no? Talaga palang napaka-intensive yung training nila with Mr. Jeffrey Hidalgo bago tumuntok sa stage natin today. Thank you, of course, Sir Jeffrey Hidalgo. Kaya naman, huwag na nating patagalin pa, Valerie. Let's meet our first Chinoy star, Abigail Ann Garza.
I think she has the potential. Yun lang nga, makikita mo na talagang hindi pa siya ganun ka-experienced as performer. Kasi nandun pa hiya. But at least the potential is there. Madaming nilalabas.
Very good performance. Buti at saka nakita ko na kinuha mo yung mga binigay ko sa'yo na tips. Tawag doon, yun nga, I guess mas malinis yung pagkanta mo ngayon kaysa nung last time na when I heard you. At saka naramdaman ko siya. And yun nga, nakita ko ulit yung what I liked about you, yung control, which I really appreciate.
Now let's have our second Chinoy star, Catherine Joy Gargar.
Medyo nakulangan ako sa emotional connection sa song. Kasi parang she was just singing, parang naghanap ako ng kung paano ako kung paano niya ako pull towards the performance.
Habang May Buhay is a very, very emotional song. It's one of the songs that I also love to sing and love to hear from other performers. You have a sweet voice, you have a sure voice, but there are points lang man sa song na you need to give that vocal strength. Masyadong safe. Nakikita ko, you want to increase it, pero why don't you just bring it out para lumaki lalo ang boses mo. Pero maganda yung mga low points, where you want to do that emotional part. But when it comes to Habang May Buhay dun sa last stanza, hinahanap ko yung strength, yung laki ng boses. Yung bigay. Kasi you're telling a story at saka you're making a statement.
And to sing for us this time is our third Chinoy star, Jen Jen.
Yun nga, very contagious yung kanyang pleasing personality. Na yun nga, buti, nadadala din niya sa kanta niya. Though yung boses niya kasi, hindi naman siya ganun ka-exceptional talaga.
Extraordinary.
Hindi ganun. Pero as long as matinis, sana yung pagkanta niya, well,
it was a good performance. Yung pasok mo lang, medyo siguro hindi mo nadinig yung -1 kaya hindi very clear yung pag-start mo. But, gusto ko yung low notes mo, properly nadidinig ko yung tamang tuning, and then yung high notes. Yung switching mo from natural to falsetto, madidevelop pa. Mas gaganda pa yan. But, it was a good performance.
Now let's call on our next Chinoy star, Jason Koo.
Kaya yung kanyang boyish charm, he can use it to his advantage. May market for that.
Kasi mas nag-enjoy talaga ako ngayon. Well, what I really like about you talaga is your voice. Ang ganda talaga. And nakita ko ngayon yung enjoyment mo at saka yung swagger mo on stage. Malinis, though it's not still perfect, pero malinis yung pagkanta mo. So congratulations.
Go for our next performance. Let's have our fifth Chinoy star, Alexis Nicole Se.
Parang nag-feel ko yung nung tumataas na yung kanta, parang natatakot na siya. Kita na hindi ko sa mata niya.
You have a beautiful angelic voice. Sa maliit kang balingkinitan, no? Pero it's coming out very strong, but I think the song is stronger than you, no? So, when you have your low notes, kailangan iklaro mo mabuti. Kasi magandang story yung song na ito, no? It is your story now, joining Chinoy Star ka na. Pangarap mo, di ba? So, if you happen to sing it again, for this particular song, kailangan makita ko sa mukha mo na gustong-gusto mo talaga.
And for our first batch's last Chinoy star performer, please welcome Rosandra Zuniga.
Yung voice dun sa performance. Kasi kanina, how she performed it, medyo parang mahihain na parang pop. Pop star.
Kung kumanta.
Oo, pero rock naman, alternative naman yung style niya. So yun nga, yung sabi lang namin sa kanya is, itodo na niya yung pagiging rockista niya sa on stage.
outfit mo, yung attitude mo ng singing, pasok no? Talagang rakista, no? Siguro mas clearer lang yung pag-pronounce mo ng mga words para mas maintindihan natin. Pero yung performance mo ngayon, gusto-gusto ko. So, I hope na makakapasok ka doon sa Magic 10 ba kayo nagkukunin natin?
Magic
Sana
10.
makapasok ka.